Welcome to Fit After 40 Day
36.
It's New Year's Eve and I am very sick. So today is going to be a very light workout. I don't feel good. Bunny's a little sick too. She's not as sick as me, but I ain't feeling it today. I ain't going out and partying tonight. I ain't bringing in the new year with no party. Just trying to sleep tonight. That's it. That's my only goal. Because I slept so bad last night. I had cold chills, hot, just all over the place. And Bunny got me sick, so you guys can thank her.
It's not me.
But we're right back to a push day again, and Bunny's gonna do some push-ups.
Hey.
It's pretty crappy outside. It's raining. Pretty crappy New Year's Eve for California, unfortunately. It usually doesn't rain here at all, but it's got like a week of rain in the forecast, so I don't know. Anyways, Bunny's ready to start pushing.
Yep.
Bunny is assuming the front lead and rest position. Do you know how many push-ups you have to do now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got one more. Oh. I saw number 6. It was there.
I don't think it was there.
Yeah. All right.
Oh, this is gonna kill my knees.
4 on the knees. Let's go.
Oh,
You'll be all right. Your knees will get real strong.
Oh yeah, no.
Oh, Bonnie's taking it off.
Oh yeah, I don't even have a shirt on anymore.
Whoa! We're getting too hot for TV now.
Oh yeah.
All right, Bonnie's gonna do 4 assisted push-ups. No, 5. You only got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bunny likes those assisted ones. Nice and easy.
They are a lot easier.
Must be the weight of your legs.
Probably. It's a lot to try and
Push up.
push up.
You got some legs, that's for sure. All right, so you think you can do 5 again?
No.
4?
I'll try. We'll see.
All right, round 2. Fight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, okay. Bunny tried to go for 6 there. Pretty good.
I did.
But she fell for the first time today. All right, this next set, I want you to change your grip. You do a really wide grip, which is actually more difficult.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, you told me that.
The wider you go, the more difficult it is, and the narrower you go, the more difficult. You should have it should be shoulder width. See, that's wider than your shoulders.
It is?
Yes.
There?
Yeah, about right there.
Okay.
1, 2.
That's harder for me.
3. That's because you've trained your outer muscles. 4. 5.
That's a lot harder for me.
That's because you haven't trained that way. So the last set, we're going all the way in. Diamond push-ups.
What?
You know what diamond push-ups are,
I
right?
do not.
You make a diamond with your hand.
Like this?
Yup. That's how you do your push-up. Yep, exactly. Wow, you're smart. Pretty quick to catch on.
I don't think that's gonna happen.
You can get 1.
I don't think so.
No?
We'll see.
All right, we'll see. There you go. She has made the diamond. Yeah. Whoa!
No, if I get out of this, I'm gonna hit my face. It's a little farther than I'm willing to attempt that. All right.
All right. Final set. 1, 2. Ooh, there we go. She's got 8 assisted now. Knock them out.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 more. 7, 8. Push-ups are done, just like that.
Oh, those were hard today.
Ah, come on.
They were.
You ever had an easy push-up day?
I don't think so.
Yeah, exactly. They're never easy.
Oh. All right, pikes.
Pikes.
All right. Oh.
You remember the pikes?
Yeah.
How could you forget?
How could I forget?
You've done quite a bit of them. You've done hundreds of them, actually.
Oh, so
Your shoulders should be getting pretty strong by now.
You would think so.
You should be about ready to do that handstand.
Funny.
All right, pike push-ups, 10 of them. Let's go. You don't need that sissy sweater for these. 1, 2, further down. 3, 4, 5, 6. Whoa.
Oh,
Whoa. Bonnie's feeling it.
I am weak today. That cold you gave me.
Ah, yeah, right. It's
Yeah, you're
you.
sicker than I am. Oh. All right.
There's no assist on the pikes. 8, 9, 10, I guess. I guess that's 10.
Those are tough.
Tough today, huh?
Yeah.
All right, second set of pikes. Let's go. 20 of them. Just kidding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at those fingers. They're just like quivering. 6. Give me 4 more. 1, 2, 3. Last one. 4. Whoa!
Oh my god.
Bunny's feeling the pikes today.
I think I went dancing a little too much there last night.
Ah, Bunny went out dancing. Getting a little wild in Huntington Beach with Kimmy. What time did you get home?
11? Not late.
Oh, that's pretty early.
10:30, 11 I think it was. No, I didn't go out. Not trying to destroy all this hard work, dedication.
She has some margaritas, though.
I
What do you guys think? Margarita on your diet plan?
Hey, it was a skinny margarita.
Never seen a margarita on any diet plan.
Bunny got a little drunky. One margarita.
Off 2 drinks.
Yeah.
She was lit.
I'm a lightweight.
Final set of pikes. Let's go. Bunny's trying to make conversation, get a little extra rested.
I was.
It ain't fooling me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh.
Oh my god.
Ooh. Ooh. These next 5 are going to be tough. There's no assist on the pike.
Nope. I got so much blood flowing, my arms are pink.
Yeah. Get that blood flowing. 1, 2. Nope, you got 3 more. I ain't losing count. 3, 2, 1. I'll give you that one.
Oh my god.
Where are you feeling it?
In my arms.
Yeah?
Look at, I'm sweating. Like actual sweat.
No.
Yeah.
Not on this camera. Sorry. Anybody see any glistening? Yeah.
Let me step in the light for you.
No. Not helping you. Alright, so the final exercise is usually the wall climb for Bunny, but we're not going to climb the clubhouse walls just because they're a very nice blue color and don't want Bunny to put any footprints on them. So we're going to use the table that is right behind Bunny. She's going to put her feet up there. We're going to do a record hold and that's it. Then we go for a walk and we're done.
Yeah.
Yeah. Easy day.
Easy, easy.
It's New Year's Eve. Might as well take it easy. We did a lot this year. This year's been a crazy year.
It's been a nut year. Ready for a great new one.
Yeah. One that's a little bit more relaxing.
Yeah. No more accidents, no more fires.
No more deaths.
Yeah, more deaths. Yeah.
No more arrests.
No more arrests.
No more jail.
No, no.
No more lawyer fees. No more court. Yeah. It's been a rough year.
Yeah.
But at the same time, the best year of my life in other ways. So it's just crazy.
Yeah, it's nuts how things work. Crazy ways.
All right, get up on that shelf. I'm going to start the timer. We're going to see how long Bunny can hold. I forget what her last hold was, but she's somewhere in the a little less than 30 seconds. Wow! Bunny did a bad mount. Haha, she's already feeling it. The timer's already started. That's the good thing. You're probably over 10 seconds already. How about that? Where do you feel that at?
My back! It's straight. It wants to go down.
Oh, she's done.
Oh my God.
It felt
that hurt.
What would you say you did wrong?
I don't know.
Oh God. Bunny's injured. She's out for 2023 season. Actually, I tell you what, you take the rest of 2022 off, all right?
Absolutely, thanks.
All right, take the rest of the year off. We'll get back at it next year.
Yep.
All right, we are going to do a walk, even though it's terrible outside. My legs got to get moving at least once a day. I feel like sedentary. My knee is hurting.
Really?
From sitting.
Yeah, I believe it.
From not moving, my knee is hurting.
Wow.
So I need to get moving. We'll catch you on the walk with the before and after photos. And tomorrow, you know what tomorrow is?
A pool day.
And?
New Year's Day. Oh, weigh-ins.
Tomorrow's weigh-in.
Yeah, weigh-ins.
I hope you didn't make any bad decisions last night.
No.
We'll see tomorrow. We're on our walk. We made it to the shores of Huntington Beach. Looks very ominous out.
It really does.
Yeah, it just looks different. I don't know what it is, but of course the rain stopped right when we finished working out. And it's not raining anymore. Oh yeah, we do. He's looking right at us, huh? All right, I had to see the water. I go to see the water at least once a day, so I had to bring Bunny out here. She said, on the sand? So we're out here. We're getting our fit on. Before and after pictures coming.